Welcome to qnawire.
So the magnetic field perpendicular to a circular wire loop is changed from a value of 0.52 Tesla in the upward direction to minus 0.42 Tesla, where the minus sign signifies the fact that the magnetic field has changed sign. So it's gone from pointing in the upwards direction to pointing in the downwards direction. The first thing we want to calculate is the total change in magnetic field strength. So the total change in the magnetic field strength is equal to 0.52 Tesla minus negative 0.42 Tesla, which gives us the total amount that the magnetic field has changed in straight, since it switches from a positive to a negative value. And this is equal to 0.94 Tesla. And we can use this to calculate the EMF induced, because the EMF induced is equal to minus the rate of change, the rate of change of the magnetic flux with time. Since the magnetic flux is equal to the dot product of the magnetic field in the area vector of our loop, which is aligned with the magnetic field, this dot product simply gives us the strength of the B field times the total area of the loop. So this EMF induced is equal to the rate of change of B, delta B, magnetic field strength, times pi r squared, where we're given a diameter, so I'm simply going to divide that by 2 to find the radius. Now, because we know the amount that our B field has changed, and we know the course of time that it took for that change to occur, we can simply plug in values where dt is now 180 milliseconds and delta B is 0.94 Tesla, and we find that the induced EMF is 2.7 times 10 to the minus 2 volts. So since this is a positive value, we know that the induced field generated by the current loop will be away from the observer. This means the magnetic field will oppose the changing magnetic field. So if the external magnetic field is changing in the downward direction, meaning it's becoming more negative, this must generate a B field in the up direction, which corresponds to a current flowing this way, or clockwise when viewed from above. So that's our answer, clockwise as viewed from above.